I just need to hit it with some nitrous.
Yeah, where's the nitrous at?
I got a bottle.
I mean, I'm down.
Like that.
Oh, Lord.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I appreciate you clicking on today's video. I am very, very excited for this one. We have our highest horsepower car hitting the dyno. Fred.
If you guys have yet to see, Fred is my late grandfather's 1988 C2500 that was passed down to me that we are doing a full LS swap on with a ton of Holley parts to go with it.
Stock, they come with a 5.7 liter V8. It is a gas, not a diesel. This is a 2500, but it's two-wheel drive, kind of odd, but I don't think they put out much power in 1988, so that plus the fact that it's, you know, 250,000 miles, plus the fact that it runs horribly, I think it's gonna be like 107 wheel. That's my guess. I've been trying to look up power numbers for these things, but I can't get an answer, so we're gonna have to actually put this thing to the test in real life on a dyno. Is it gonna blow up? I have no idea. But we're gonna try anyways. You guys may know Andrew from the Mustang Lifestyle page. Well, he has a dyno and coincidentally lives right by me. So we're gonna bring Fred over and we're gonna break his dyno record real quick.
And just to put Fred's current state into a true perspective, this is where he usually sits. He leaks a lot. Now, before we get into this thing, I do want to let you guys know we officially dropped the Moxy car colognes. We got 5 cents. We have Tropical Splash, my favorite Strawberry Dream, Arctic Black, Cherry Burst, and Vanilla Bean. So if you guys want to pick one of these up, I'm going to link it right down below. These things literally launched within the past week or so, so you're going to be one of the first ones to get a bottle. We're actually going to go ahead and freshen Fred up a little bit with the Cherry Burst. Very simple to use. Spray it into cloth or anything. It is a water-based formula so that it will not stain. If this were an oil-based formula and you spray it in, it'll stain, and obviously I don't want Fred's headliner stained, right? Anyways, old man, it's time to wake up. We got to check out some dyno numbers. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Better start up. Oh, running. Oh, and we're off. Let's try again. Come on, Fred. What is this? Dude, what are you doing right now? Come on. We may not be getting any dyno numbers today. Come on, come on, come on. Fred, do you have a massive cam? Or can you just not stay on? Come on, dude, what are you doing? What is this? Are we good? No? Come on, dude, what are you doing? This is supposed to be fun. We're having a fun day. He just got a little nervous. I mean, he's at 250,000 miles, 250,652 miles to be exact. Now, I don't think he knows that he's getting the LS yet, so he's a little nervous of getting pushed hard, but buddy, trust me, your heart is gonna be brand new. Well, lightly used. If Fred's warmed up, think we're good to go. Duct tape cup holder. Why did these not come with cup holders? Are you guys not expecting this in 1980? I mean, we have power windows in this thing. Well, we kind of have power windows in this thing, and we don't even have freaking cup holders, man. All right, first we gotta test out the butt dyno. So let's go ahead and give Fred a little hit and give my guess. I think I'm gonna stick with the 107. It just feels right in the head, but let's give it a hit and see what we got. Ready, Fred? Ready? This is the first time I've actually ever even floored this truck. Oh yeah, 107 for sure.
Fast, but
just be careful. Be careful. Really, really powerful here.
I got a nitrous bottle.
You got a nitrous bottle?
A little bit of nitrous.
I'm not opposed to anything. If we're close to breaking the dyno record.
Hey, the power steering works.
Yeah, dude, it all works. It just kicks into second gear real hard. Really, really, really hard. It goes so wrong. Oh, she kind of sounds good. Oh, she's burning oil.
I guess that window doesn't go down.
You actually got to do it from the inside. I'll show you. You like the tint job too?
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, it works.
You notice any quick problems right off the rip? Other than everything leaking?
I don't know, you gotta check your radiator cover leak.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Huh. Yeah, I don't know on that one.
So I don't know what dyno gear it is. I don't know what's 1-to-1. I think it's is it a 3-speed or a 4-speed? I think it's a 4-speed. Maybe 3rd gear?
Please don't blow up, Fred. I think he's gonna try second gear and third gear. Yeah, that second gear hits pretty hard. I have no clue what the red line is. It doesn't have an RPM gauge. I don't know, never hit it. Oh, she's rowdy.
It shifted to first, even though I had it in second.
It shifted to first.
Yeah.
Smells like oil.
Yeah. I just didn't try it against the ride.
Yeah, let her row through some gears. Fred wanted to go. She wanted to go. God, it smells so bad. What did it make?
Okay, so that's not accurate. It's very strange because I can't keep it in the same gear, but it made some good torque. It made 230 torque.
230?
And 144 horsepower.
Overachiever. 144?
Let's see if we can try to keep it in the same gear somehow.
Okay.
And then we can get like a proper dyno graft.
Okay.
Because it's still shifting. Is there overdrive off on here?
I think if you go all the way down, it should be without overdrive.
Oh, okay, so that's drive. Yeah, so might have to just like bring it up higher in the RPM and just make sure it doesn't get the second gear kickdown or something.
Whatever you want to try. I'm so surprised I haven't heard such a loud boom yet.
Okay, so 134, 216, that was like third gear.
Hey, hang on.
Look at the squiggly.
134, 216? She's torquey. She's torquey.
I just need to hit it with some nitrous.
Yeah, where's the nitrous at?
I got a bottle.
I mean, I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. Let's see what Fred will do with some nitrous. I mean, it's getting a new motor either way, so this is just gonna speed up the process.
Yeah.
You smell that?
It smells like horsepower.
This is...
It'll be something like that.
Oh Lord. what technically, this is gonna be what? How big of a shot would this technically be?
Depends on your, it can be anywhere from a 50 to a 400.
Okay, so we're gonna see what Fred does on a 400 shot.
Like just breathing it, but you get like hot. So get my name down. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Let's see it.
191, 287.
Hey!
That's a dry shot on what, 87?
Yeah. 87. Maybe has oil in it, I don't know. I was waiting for something to go bad, dude. I was squinting my eyes like, please. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, there's probably a filter in here, right?
Yeah.
So, if we took that off and then sprayed it direct, it would get pretty hairy.
I mean, I'm not opposed to anything at all. I mean, nothing could go wrong with this, right?
Uh-huh. I mean, it's your call. It's a little bit more direct nitrous.
You already know what I'm gonna say.
Well, the torque was 238 and 246. So yeah, I think we ran out of nitrous. No, the 173 was the first one, 167 was the second one. You were wide open?
I was wide open.
Yeah. I think she ran out. Yeah, there's not much in there. Normally there's a big cloud.
Yeah, the stream got a little less as we went on.
The bottle's also cold too, so.
Yeah, see, it would have made 200. It definitely would have made 200. We'll just imagine it made 200. I think she's fine. She's fine. It'll run. All right, boys. Well, that was pretty fun. That was my first time meeting up with him. I didn't know that he lives so close to me, so that's super cool now that we, number one, have a friend in the area. Number two, we have a dyno in the area. So that's pretty sick. I need to bring back a car and break the dyno record. I think he said it's like 1200 or something. Stangry makes a little more than 1200, like 1250-ish. So maybe we can break it. But that was super fun. I did not, I underestimated Fred, I will admit. Underestimated him a little bit. 190 wheel horsepower. Dude, for 1988, this thing scoots. I am so surprised it did not blow up when I just wide open with a nitrous bottle. We're gonna get to do a comparison on the same dyno, and he's gonna be the one tuning it so we can see the tuning process. That'll be super cool. I hope you guys are excited for this. I'm super stoked. This truck, it means a lot to me, means a lot to my family. This is literally the truck that my mom got driven to like practices in with all of her siblings and stuff, so it's gonna mean a lot to everybody to see it running. It's gonna mean a lot to everybody on TikTok because they've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. I know my grandfather watching from above is gonna think this is the most badass thing ever. So, hope you guys are excited for the Fred build. It's crazy, we have all these wild, crazy, you know, R8s, Corvettes, Mustangs, and here I am super stoked about a dang old Chevy. So, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you wanna check out the new Moxy car colognes, I'll link those down below. I'll also link Andrew's channel down below, Mustang Lifestyle. Huge thank you to him for letting me use the dyno, that's super cool. That is gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.